A long time ago, in the 1600s, way before video games and smartphones, people thought the Earth was the center of the universe. Can you believe it? They thought everything, the sun, the moon, and even the stars, was just spinning around them. It was like a giant cosmic merry-go-round, and Earth was the spotlight. But then came a super smart guy named Galileo Galilei. He was born in Italy, and from a young age he was always asking questions. Why does the moon shine? And what are those twinkly things in the sky? You could say he was the ultimate curious cat. Galileo loved science so much he could hardly sit still. If there was a science fair, he would definitely win first place with a big shiny trophy. One day he heard about a new invention, a telescope. Imagine a giant pair of binoculars that helps you see far away. Galileo thought, I must build one. So he grabbed some glass lenses, a few bits and bobs, and got to work. He was like a wizard in a science lab. After some tinkering and a few oops moments, like accidentally looking at his neighbor's cat instead of the moon, he made a telescope that was better than all the rest. Now I can see the stars up close, he cheered. When he finally looked through his telescope, he gasped, Wowee, look at that. He saw craters on the moon like bumps on a lumpy cake. Who knew the moon had a bad hair day, he chuckled. But that wasn't all. He spotted 4 moons dancing around Jupiter. They were like tiny stars twirling in a cosmic ballet. Hey, Jupiter, you've got some moon buddies, he laughed. Then came the most amazing part. Galileo noticed something super cool about Venus. It changed shape, just like how your balloon gets squishy when you let air out. He thought, if Venus can change, then maybe it doesn't go around Earth. Maybe it goes around the sun. Galileo ran around telling everyone about his discoveries, like a kid on a sugar rush. Hey everyone, the sun is in charge, not us! But guess what? Not everyone was happy to hear it. Some folks were like, no way, Jose, that's not how it works. They wanted to keep believing they were the stars of the show. In 1633, Galileo found himself in a bit of trouble. He was taken to court, like a science trial. The judges were not impressed. They said, Galileo, stop making all these crazy claims. But Galileo, being the brave scientist he was, said, I just want to know the truth. But they told him to be quiet. No more telescope talk, they said. So Galileo had to spend a lot of time at home, thinking and studying. It was like being grounded. No telescope, no stargazing fun. Even though Galileo had to keep his discoveries to himself, he never stopped thinking about the stars. He left a huge mark on science, and today he is known as the father of modern science. Thanks to his telescope and his brave spirit, we now know that Earth is just one of many planets dancing around the sun. His story teaches us that it's okay to ask questions and be curious. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember Galileo, the scientist who dared to dream big. So keep exploring, little scientists. Who knows what you'll discover? Maybe you'll find a new star, or even an alien saying, "What's up, Earthlings?" Keep that telescope handy because the universe is full of surprises.